First thing you need to do though is remove the wheel speed sensor to make sure it don't get jammed up. And 10 millimeter and another clamp, so you work yourself up and try to make as much slack as you can. Bolts on the strut is nuts. The one screw on the wheel well is a wheel well screw. So it's about as much slack as you want. So when you catch, you go ahead and come all the way in. Second thing we're going to do is you have two bolts that hold the strut in. One at the bottom, one at the top. So all you need is a lot of strength and a good socket or good wrench. That works. Okay. It's supposed to do that. Sockets, then the strut falls straight out. Now when it comes to the bottom, they won't come straight down. So when it comes straight down, they're gonna latch onto this because that's where they go. Just push it out a little bit, angle it to your right, come straight out. Then you do the reverse, run it in. Boot not damaged. Nuts are good. Please use new parts. Do not use your old nuts for the new part. You want to go in the way you came out, which is down to the right and pull out. So when you go in, we'll go up to the left and go up. Once you got them in there, ideally without looking.
Yep.
Ideally without looking. Hold up with one hand and find a bolt. You got screwed on tight. Just hold it in there. You don't want to go too tight because you still want some wiggle room. So you let that hang, and you go ahead and get your bottom bolts in. Now this can be difficult. Ideally, you want to have something under here to pull this up, but you can't just lift it. As long as you got one end, you can get the other end. You just push the bottom. If you don't feel like wiggling, just hit it in. Everything is flush, and by flush I mean metal to metal.